Now, in this advantage, I want to ask about why cannot anyone else build it? Like I start my day and I read the emails from Yutori. It is great with summarizing what trends I need to keep track of as a creator. H1B, F1 visa, or Claude, Cursor, all these agents keep on rolling updates. I want to see the updates of things I like, not the scattered news which I have to find information. Yeah. So that's my biggest advantage. Now, in this advantage, I want to ask about why cannot anyone else build it? Why and how you have perfected it. What I see is it can be achieved with MCP agents, but how you guys collected all the skill sets and research experience here to craft the solution.
Well, I think it's hard to get agents to work reliably, or at least it's hard right now, right? Like if you think of a task on the web as a sequence of steps or a workflow, like let's say there's like 20 steps or 30 steps or 50 steps involved in keeping track of like news on a specific topic. Even if these LLMs are like, let's say 90% accurate at each step, there's a compounding error problem where the 10% error rate compounds over a 20 step, 30 step, 50 step tasks, right? And so overall task success rates out of the box end up being much lower than what would make sense for a product to be actually useful. So a lot of our work goes into making sure that 10% error rate comes down drastically, where these tasks are much higher, like executed much more successfully, and the results are much higher quality, where it makes sense to productize them, right?